Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Corolla, that generation right here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, and if you need to find where the rear window defroster relay is located, where you can find it, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why it's important to always test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So the rear window defroster fuse relay, where you can find it. By the way, if you need to find where the fuse for the rear window defroster is located, we have the video on the channel. It's called Toyota Corolla rear window defroster fuse location, and you just put your ear behind it. Now, you have multiple fuse boxes in that Toyota Corolla, that generation. Today we're working just one that's under the hood. So if you open the hood and you face the engine, on the right side under this cover right here guys, if you remove that cover, you will find the main engine fuse box with a layout that will look like this one right here. But before we guys continue, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. For the rear window defroster, which fuse we need to check? If we come right here, we need to check which relay we need to check. Okay, let's explain that now. But if you need to guys buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping for Toyota Corolla or any car, we will put the links in the description of the video below, that way do not waste your money and time. And the relay that we need to check here guys, okay, for the rear window defroster is that relay that you see right here. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.